Hello everybody. Today we are learn about useful shortcut in Excel. When we know much about shortcut in Excel, we use our job more productivity and also look cool in Excel. Here, when we copy paste the data from new sheet or new file, and the data will be like this. So when we don't know much about Excel, we might take more time to do it. So I will provide you about the useful shortcut. So please watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, here we can see about our date and the number, so we can select all the number and we can format it. We can go to the it by using mouse, or we don't have mouse, we can use Ctrl Shift number 4 and the number will be automatic convert. Also, when about the date, we can select date and we use Ctrl Shift number 3. If we don't like this format, we just control number 1. We just use Ctrl T. We can select entire the sheet and use Ctrl T for create a table for our data and convenience. We can change our format right here. Right here. As you can see, it here is have one row that high. We can select our mouse here and press Ctrl Shift opening bracket for unhide. If we would like to hide some our row, for example, if we would like to hide some row here, we can select the data and use Ctrl 9 to hide. You see the number in here is high. For hide the column, we can use Ctrl O for hide it. If we unhide the row, we use Ctrl Shift open bracket that unhides. Also, we can use in format cell. If we would like to change our contact better, we use Ctrl number 1 and we use custom and we can write the formula here. WD for hiding here. Also, we can select entire of the row here and double click. If this format is look long or a lot, we can use our go home or go to button home and click here web text. Here is web text is automatic enter in the sheet. Okay, if we have a lot of data, we don't need to scroll it down because it around 1000 or 100 rows. We just use Control arrow key down and our data will automatic to into the end. Here, if by space we will stop the data, it means that it will be go to end until the blank sheet. Here we can go by use Control arrow key up, arrow key to left, arrow key to right. You can see the cursor here run into column A row and go to column A. So we can use it for more effectively, but we need to remember about the arrow key. The arrow key will be stopped if we have blank space. Here, if we just want to move our mouse or our cursor, but if we would like to select the data, we just click Ctrl Shift, arrow key to left, arrow key to down then the data will be copied or in our tables. We just this shortcut is very useful and we use us daily our job daily here. So we can read this shortcut for more understand about the shortcut that I have shown. We use control plus for insert plain or column or row. We use control minus for delete column or row. We use control 9 for high row. We use control 0 for high column. We use control shift L for filter or unfilter. For example, in here we can use control shift L, and you can see about the auto filter, and you control shift L for unfilter. Also, we can convert our format that I have shown at the moment. We use control shift number 3, and here we use control shift number 4 to convert the number automatically like this. And we can use control D for copy above row to below. For example, here I use control and press control D. It will be automatic the same like this. So we can practice our use control minus for delete our row. You see. And for arrow key, we can use up or down by moving our cursor. But if we want to select our data, we just click Control plus Shift. Control T is table. Another shortcut, if we would like to move this, for example, if we would like to change the Control T to number 9, so we just click our here by cut, and we use insert cut cell, and then you can see the column the row or control T will be automatic. Some people when they would like to change the data in here, we just go to insert like this. They need to insert and cut to this. This is 2 times, but when we use cut, control it and insert cut cell, it's just 1 time. Here is 10 shortcut of useful in Excel. If you would like more shortcut, you can comment our video. Thank you for your watching.